Okay, in this video I'm going to discuss a little bit about Benford's Law and the history, how it became about, and what it actually represents. So basically in 1881, a Canadian astronomer named Newcomb noticed that in the logarithmic tables, the pages for the lower numbers were more used and worn than the pages of the larger numbers. Now remember, this is back when this data was available in paperback books, and that was really the only form. There were no calculators or computers. So the pages were worn on the lower digits more than on the higher digits. And then later in around 1938, Frank Benford, a mathematician, noticed the same thing and applied it to different sets of numbers. He applied it to surface area of rivers, populations, physical constants, and molecular weights. And he even applied it to the Fibonacci sequence. And he noticed that the same thing was true. There was a higher probability, basically, of the first digit being a lower number than a larger digit. So mathematically, we can explain that by showing that the probability of the first digit being a 1 is 0.301, and from there it goes down to the probability of the first digit being a 9 of 0.046. And then he took it one step further. This is a data set I have open. The blue line is Benford's distribution. The probability of the second digit being a 0 is like 0.12. Going down to the probability of that second digit being a 9 to be like 0.085. And taking it out one step further onto the third digit, he realized it started to level out around 0.1, where the probability of the third digit being a 0 is 0.102, and the probability of a 9 being the third digit is like 0.098. So basically, that's a little bit of the history and the mathematics behind Benford's Law. And in the next video, I'm going to go over how this is used in industries today and applied to real life events. Thank you for watching.